drumming lesson. What you're going to need today for this African drumming lesson is a djembe drum, a drum kit and 2 cowbells. Now I realise not everybody has a djembe drum, a drum kit and 2 cowbells, so I'm going to show you how to play it properly first on the correct instruments, then I'm going to show you how to adapt it onto some household instruments. So here we go. The djembe part, you've got to count to 4, then to 3. Dead simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Easy. On the djembe drum, the first note is always going to be the low note. All of the other notes will be high notes on the edge. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Also quite easy. Now though, you're going to give it a bit of a skip, a bit of a wobble to make it sound African. It's called a shuffle. That's the sort of rhythm we're after now. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's the djembe part. The drum kit part is going to add in a little bit of melody for the first time. And you need to think back to the first African lesson that I recorded. There was a rhythm called the cuckoo rhythm, which sounds like this. Cuckoo rhythm, cuckoo rhythm. Played on the toms with a little bit of melody, sounds like this. Cuckoo rhythm, cuckoo rhythm. So you've got low, middle and high sounds. We'll adapt that in a minute. I use a bit of ride cymbal as well, just to add a bit more time. Okay, now because we've turned this into a shuffle rhythm, shuffles are built up on groups of 3, also known as triplets. So now you're going to take your cowbells and we're going to play a very simple triplet pattern, which is right, left, left. Right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left. Triplet, 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 triplet. And the last thing I did on this 4-part African rhythm, excuse me, I played a little solo. I turned off my snare drum, so you don't want to have a sort of marchy sound. You want to have that nice world music sort of sound. And I just did some very basic triplet fills. Around the kit, something like that. Combinations of singles and doubles, right, left, left, right, left, left, triple, 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 play it over the top of everything else. It's going to sound like this. Welcome back. That's how it should have sounded on the correct instruments we're now going to adapt it for some household items. What I've selected is this plastic box. This will replace our djembe drum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I've got a nest of pots and pans. And we're back to our old favourite, the wooden spoon. This is to give to replace the tom-toms, so you can have the melody section. Biggest one for the low note, middle one for the medium note, and highest one for the highest note. Rhythm, rhythm, rhythm. Okay, nest of pans. Next thing I use is one of these big kitchen chairs that we have. So I've discovered that if you play different parts of the chair, it sounds a bit like a cowbell. You just got to use your imagination a little bit. Okay, and the last thing that I use to play my little solo on is a jar of cookies. So I just use the top of the lid because it's got quite a nice sound to it. And of course the other benefit of playing with a jar of cookies is that you can have a cookie. Here's what it sounds like all put together, guys. Have fun! I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson, and we'll see you all again very soon for another one.